Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to fix Riot Games client update Valorant not working on PC. So guys, in order for you to fix this, I will show you multiple solutions. So first, try go to the start menu guys and search for Riot. And then from here guys, try running as administrator the Riot client. And then that should be able to fix your problem. And now guys, if that doesn't work, try restarting your computer. If still doesn't work, now go to the Valorant or Riot. And then from here, go to the top right corner of the screen to your profile. And then from here, go to the settings. And here on the settings, try repairing your Valorant. So guys, the last option that you have is try reinstalling the game. So in order for you to uninstall it, just go over here, just type on add or remove programs. And then from here, guys, just search on Valorant. And from here, click uninstall and you will be able to uninstall the game. And when you want to install it again, just go to the Riot and from here, you'll be able to install it. And there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.